Triggers in MySQL. Triggers are the SQL statements that are automatically executed in response to particular events. Event is nothing but here insertion, updation or deletion operation on a specific database table. It is used to maintain the integrity of the data. The data integrity is the overall completeness and accuracy and consistency of data. Let me take a real-time scenario. In a company, we have n number of employees. Suppose a new CEO is joined. It's a mandatory to update the database and to inform the welcome email to all the employee by the database administrator. But there is a possibility to forget to send any one of the employee. This leads to inconsistency of data. So in order to avoid inconsistency, the triggers came into a picture. Now see this another scenario. Here the database administrator created a trigger that will send the welcome message that is welcome email to all employee after the insertion of a new record. That is, once the new record is inserted, then automatically the email will be sent to all the employee. This leads to data consistency. Now we will move on to the code part. That is, here the triggers before insertion in MySQL. In this, the table is STUD. We have 3 records and I created a trigger that is before insertion you need to perform some addition operation. That is, you need to add value 5 with the mark. Suppose if you are inserting a new record, automatically the before insertion trigger is worked. That means the data 50 will be added with 5. That is, the trigger will be executed. So the total 55 will be updated and inserted into the table student. Next, we'll move on to the execution procedure. Open MySQL and type the password. Create a database trigger. then use database name tgr, then create a table stud with 3 fields: register number, name as well as mark. Then insert 3 data. Data is inserted. Then use the table, that is use select star from stud. So the 3 records are displayed here. Next is to create a trigger. We have 2 types of triggers, that is before as well as after. The first example is before. Start from delimiter. Here I am using semicolon. Start as well as end. Create trigger. Trigger name is tr1. So I am using here before. Insertion operation on the table is stud for each row. That is before insertion of the record, you need to perform the following operation. Here the operation is addition operation. Addition of 5 with the existing data. Enter. So the trigger is created. Suppose if you want to view the trigger, show trigger in database name. Here the database name is tgr. Sorry, show triggers in. Now the trigger is displayed here. Then we'll move on to the operation. If you are inserting a new record, so before insertion the trigger will be executed first and then followed by the insertion. So if you are inserting the record, that is 4 register number Raj followed by the mark is 50. So if you are inserting, automatically the before trigger will be worked first. So the 50 will not be directly inserted into the table. Instead the trigger will be worked first, that is the add process will be done, that is 50 plus 5, 55 will be added, then the data will be inserted. That is before insertion the trigger will be worked first. Now select star from student. Now see, if you are inserting 50, so the before trigger will be worked first. So in that function the add process will be done, so the 55 will be inserted here. This way the before trigger works. Next we'll move on to after trigger. Next, after insertion, for that create a table, it is mark underscore list with one field total marks. Then create a trigger tr2. This is for after insertion, that is delimiter is again semicolon followed by create trigger tr2. This is for after insertion on table stud. For each row you need to insert a updated mark into a table mark underscore list. So trigger is created, then insert a new record, that is 50. If you are inserting a new record, automatically the first trigger will be worked first, that is that add operation will be performed, that is 50 plus 5 will be added, so 55 will be inserted in the STUD table. Then the updated data 55 will be inserted into a mark underscore list table, that will be after insertion. Now view the student table first, STUD see here the updated data 5 in 50 will be updated 5 in 55. So the before trigger will be worked first, that is TR1. Then view the second table, select star from mark underscore list. This is done. After insertion, the updated mark 55 will be inserted into your mark list. That is this insertion, new mark 55 will be inserted into a mark table, mark underscore list table, that is 55 will be inserted.